Today we are doing elephant toothpaste.
Hi guys, today we are going to do a simple science experiment that kids can do at home. It is elephant toothpaste. Things you will need: any jar, hydrogen peroxide, it is available in pharmacies, yeast, dishwashing liquid, food coloring, optional, warm water. Let's start. Place the jar on a tray. Pour the hydrogen peroxide into the jar. Squirt a few drops of dishwashing liquid. A few drops of food coloring. Mix yeast and warm water. Pour yeast mixture into the jar. As you can see, the elephant toothpaste comes out of the jar. Please do not touch the foam. Do you know why this happens? Let me explain. Oxygen escapes from hydrogen peroxide. Yeast is a catalyst which speeds up oxygen to escape. This creates the foam. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like.